instead of fixing the masks, I'll race them and see which one turns off sooner, and whichever one takes longer to shut off is the one I'm going to use, and I'll just keep turning it back on every time it turns off, and it looks like this one is the winner. Fiberglass and you don't mind bad narrating, then this episode's going to be good for you. This is going to be pretty interesting. This is really stiff now. And I've still got more, I've got to put some more honeycomb there. But before I do that, I want to glass this beam around the sides and grind a chamfer so the fiberglass can wrap around it along here. But first I need to get my air mask, at least one of them, to work, which is my dilemma every day. It's killing me. So I've got to curve everything, like curve all the honeycomb and reshape this a little bit before I can put it in, just to allow for these bits because they're faded in, and I want a uniform edge around here. Curve here, here, curve there, curve under there, and then cut it nice and flat, straight. We just clamped it in this spot because I think I cut this too big, but she's all right. It's going to be in a cupboard eventually anyway. Look at how much better my side is compared to my dad's. This strong as a battleship, and the base will pump out because it's like being inside a concrete cave. The laser's still good. I know most of the paddle pop sticks are gone, but I went over it with a tape. It's within 5 mil, but it's closer than that. It's good. And this bit here has got a little bit hairy. We just put some honeycomb with glad wrap wrapped around it to keep a even space under there, because we wrapped that honeycomb with a layer of wovens and or biaxial or whatever, and it kept falling down. So we've got that there, space there, because I eventually want to make a panel that scoops in and then clicks down and then screws into a couple of blocks of wood or something in the corner there, because I'll need to get in here and there for making the hatch